Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide Steam profile, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide your Steam profile, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account over here. And with that being said guys, after logging into your Steam app with your Steam account over here, you'll land on this interface. Now in order to hide your Steam profile, at the top right corner of the screen you can see a username available for us at the top right corner. Click on your username at the top right corner with the drop down arrow over here, and this kind of menu will appear where you will be required to click on the view my profile option over here. Click on view my profile and you land on the profile section of your account, where you can see the edit profile button available for us over here, where my mouse is currently hovering. Click on the edit profile button and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to hide your profile, you will be required to go to the privacy settings over here, where my mouse is hovering over here. Click on privacy settings and you land over here. Now you can see guys, currently my profile is hidden. Now in your case, if it's public or friends only, meaning that if your profile is public, your profile will be shown to everybody, but if your profile is on friends only, your profile will be available for your friends only. So click on private and your Steam account will be private, which means that your Steam profile will be hidden from everybody. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to hide your Steam profile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.